Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to enable RCS messaging on iPhone. So basically what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead to your settings, right? And then what you're going to do, go ahead to the general and then go ahead to the software update. Make sure that your software is fully updated to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my journal, scroll a little bit down to the VPN and device management, click on it, and then you're going to make sure that your VPN is disconnected, right? Go back, and then what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click transfer reset iPhone, and then you're going to see two options. Click reset, and you're going to reset all network settings. After you restarted your after you restarted your iPhone with the network settings is set to default, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your screen, right? And then basically go ahead to the apps list, right? Scroll a little bit down to the main settings, click apps, and then scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down until you find the messages, right? And basically after you find or pin down the messages, the messages right here, right? You're gonna be able to see those settings, right? And you're gonna be able to see, you're gonna see an option for RCS and messaging. Just basically enable it, all right? So as you can see right here, you're gonna see if the RCS messaging is not showing, then open Safari, right? And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just type right here, go or get support, right? dot apple .com, all right? And then basically you're gonna be able to go to the official website of Apple, right? And then you're gonna just tell them about your problem, right? And basically that's it. Okay, you gotta go ahead to let me show you, let me type right here RCS, okay, enter right here to search, and basically you're gonna be able to see the search results, right? Go to the iCloud, FaceTime, and Messenger, right? And then basically I'm gonna wait for a few moments right here, right? And you gotta call Apple, right? And then basically you gotta enter your phone number, or sign in with your phone number, of course, sign in with your device with your Apple ID, and then you're gonna be able to get access to their number, so you can tell them more about your problem, and they will walk you through the solutions. Let's write on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.